Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy Fold5 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to choose the same options on both smartphones. Begin by hitting I agree at the top. Then tap on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top or just click on your screen. Finally, you can tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, scroll down and decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience by clicking on one of those options. Then select Close this window and go back to Samsung smartphone. Finally, you can use all of those categories available at the top and select multiple files that you wish to transfer. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. I will go with only a couple of photos, just for example. Following that, tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!